Alright, time to go touring! Hi everyone and welcome to Motorgrapher's channel. I'm Barry Xia and today I'm going to talk about tire repair kits. I'm sure you heard about a lot of tire repair kits for sale and all this. So tire repair kits is very crucial, especially for long distance riding. Actually even in Singapore, but we hardly have really bad debris in Singapore unless you are near construction areas. But yeah, it is still much easier to access, tow, worst come to worst, in Singapore compared to Malaysia, long distance trip. So how I actually boost my tire repair kit. So basically, let me share with you what I have in my tire repair kit. Alright, here is my tire repair kit. So you can see that I actually use a Decathlon bag because my previous pouch was already damaged. So you can see it actually has some clips. You can actually clip on your waist pouch. There's a loop over there, you can hang it. Basically, it can be very useful at different type scenarios. So yes. So why actually I choose this bag is because my previous pouch was actually very tight, very uptight, and everything is like kind of like I just shove it in. So when I open up, everything will kind of like just drop out. You know, things drop there and here. So that's why this is actually a good alternative. I don't usually use the big one. You know, some tire repair kit comes with a hard case, the big one. But then if it's if your bike has limited storage, well, this is better. So basically, I got it from Decathlon, and this is how it is. So you can see it's actually netted. So when I accidentally left it open a little, all my things still stay intact. So what do I have in my tire repair kit? So basically, I have worms. Okay, worms. So this is definitely you must have. Without this, it's not a tire repair kit at all. And then rubber cement, is it? Yeah, rubber solution, rubber cement. Basically, it's a kind of gluey stuff that actually you put on your worm, and when you actually do the worming, you know, it stays there and it actually seals the sides even better. And then, okay, penknife. Okay, so just a sharp blade. Okay, this is to just trim off very long excessive worm part that is excessive to cut off. So you know, you do not want it to like being pulled out by the tarmac. So you cut it shorter, and then you'll be on your way. And this, okay, what is this? Basically, it is actually a pump, and I use canister. So basically, this canister, when I purchased my first tire repair kit, comes with this and this, but I found out that the person who sold me this no longer sell it anymore. So basically, this tubing I think can be found elsewhere in the hardware store or what, and followed by this canister. This canister you can actually get it from Motor World. I last saw it in Motor World, or you can get it in Carousel. So this is a tire repair kit. Kind of canister. So inside is actually carbon dioxide, so it's not oxygen. So you don't need to be afraid that it kaboom, you know. And I got a few. Usually I have around five canisters. So I have 1, 2, 3, and okay, 4. So I have 4 canisters. These canisters, the good thing is that it can actually pump your tire. You want to quickly get on the road, this is good. But the thing is that one canister usually is depending, it's not really enough. So if let's say I take 2 canister to quickly get on the road, this is good. But the thing is that one canister usually is depending, it's not really enough. So if let's say I take 2 canister for my tire, based on the tire, let me see. I will say my Hayabusa tire 190 behind, and it will be around 17 psi, not 70, 17. So it's still a bit only. So this one is actually to just boost it, and then for you to get on with to the nearest petrol kiosk with air pump to pump the rest up. So you can use all, or you can use like 2 and then after get going, as long as it's like there's enough air, you know, inside. But there was one time that I used 2, and then I end up with 2 left, and the tire has an extra hole. There's an extra hole on the tire. So in the end, what happened was no matter how much canister I use, the tire still leaked air. So at that point of time, I had to change tire. It was really bad. So yeah, you patch up, you must ensure that there is no more holes around the tire. So the canister is the one that actually I put in and add on. Followed by, other than that, let me open the other side. Okay, of course, you all have this. Okay, if you all don't have this, this is for you to drill the hole, the part that is actually punctured, and this is for you to put in the worm. Okay, if you're not sure on how to do worming, maybe I come up with another video in future to show you hands-on. So other than that, I actually I bought one small tire pressure device for me to check my tire pressure. Okay, why is it so? Because the thing is that there is actually the Xiaomi pump that I bring, but sometimes it is good that after the canister shorts, you check your pressure. You know, you check your pressure, and then it is much easier for you to actually see how much PSI you have inside. You know, then you have a rough gauge whether how long you can try to ride to the nearest petrol kiosk. And last but not least, this soap water. Okay, I understand that, you know, you can spit on your tire, no problem. You just spit on your tire, see where there's bubble. But there are times that you might be really thirsty, and then your speed is not enough, you keep on spitting, you see how. So I actually went to Daiso, I bought one small little plastic, I fill it up with soap water, and then I put it inside my tire repair kit. So basically, this is what I boost with this. I don't have just the worm, you know, you need all this stuff. And last but not least, of course, you need a pump. So I personally use this pump, this air pump, which is the Xiaomi air pump, okay? And there are cases that, you know, we hardly really pump in Singapore with all this, because we usually use this in touring, when we are touring and all this. The problem with this is that if it's actually kept in your storage for quite some time, the battery will drain. So if you, let's say you're going to go for a tour, or you're going to tour maybe next week or what, please charge it. And then after you do some tests on your bikes to ensure it is working. Because what happened was, there are some cases that I got another friend who has it. It was fully charged the last time he saw it. Okay, he might not even charge it at all. It means that the last time he saw it it's still fully charged. So he just bought it. And what happened was, when we were using it halfway, the battery just went flat. And I'm out of canister at the time. So it was really kind of hellish to actually push the bike, try to ride the bike. You know, we think of ways to pump it. I don't remember how did we, I think we managed to get assistance in the pumping part lah. So basically you need to charge it full, test on your bike, and ensure it's full charge before you get going for your tour. So yeah, so that is how I boost my tire repair kit. Basically this is a short video. So this is one of it. Get soap water, the tire pressure device. This one you can easily find anywhere. You just look for something that suits you. And canister. Okay, the canister one, right? Okay, for this tubing, I think maybe you can actually check out in Carousel. Maybe they got sell. Basically, this tubing only works with canister. What it does, right, is that one of it go to the tires, and then another one inside there will be a small little pin. Then you will actually screw, and then when you screw into a certain length, okay, it will actually go inside and it will puncture the canister, and air will just shoot into your tires. So yeah. So this is how I actually boost my tire repair kit. It's essential, and I hope this helps. Whatever I use over here, I can put in the link below, okay, on where I get it. Like this bag. This bag, I got it from Decathlon. So I put in a link below, and yeah. So I hope this video helps you, and I'll see you in my next video.